into the camper because I'm not wearing a seatbelt because I'm not actually leaving the park. So going down because I need to pick that trash up so that it can go out with the trash on Monday. And then also I have some stuff that I need to put in there. It's coming along. Still have a few things that we have to do. Oh my goodness, the truck and everything. I hope everybody's having a wonderful Saturday. It's really nice here today. The sky is clear and no clouds in the sky. It's really nice. Go in here and I was trying to use the wrong key to open up the gate. I have to go back out and close the gate. I think they brought in a few more RVs. Our camper is so close to that guy's boat that, oh shoot, does that gate just fly open? Oh,
I come back.
dang it.
I want.
I forgot to drop the hook down so that it wouldn't move. Yeah, so that guy's boat is close to our camper. So I was like, should I paint it? I was worried about using the sprayer. I did find a really good sprayer at Home Depot, paint sprayer, and I was like, well, it's kind of close. I think I could probably put up like a screen or something that separates us, and then I'll be able to start. I really can't wait to start doing the outside. Okay, let me take this stuff in there.